Hi students, welcome to third standard English class. Yeah, so right what you have done in the previous video, what we learned about the topic that is simple past tense and we understood it. So moving on to next in the page number 99, here we have students the topic about forming negatives, and here we will know about the simple present, present continuous and simple past. As I told you, what is simple present? I told you past, and even I told you the future, which is not here, but right now we will learn about simple present, the things, the activities, the actions which you are doing it right now, today, that comes under simple present. Present continuous means, students, yeah, of course we are doing the things in a simple present today only, but today, as the time goes, the whole day, like morning you do another thing, and afternoon you do another thing, evening you do another thing. So in which time the what work right now you are doing, no, that comes under present continuous. Like 10 o'clock you have your breakfast, right? And 2 o'clock you have your lunch, like I am having lunch now, so it comes under present continuous, right? And at 4 o'clock what you have your tea, so I am having my tea. So like these words, it comes under present continuous. Of course it is present, the thing is the activities are being done today only, but continuous means you are doing it right now, it is continuing right now. So that type of sentence comes under present continuous. And past, I told you in the previous video, it comes when the thing is been done in the past, it comes under yesterday. So here one more topic we'll learn today is about forming negatives. So students, there are two types of sentences here they have given in your textbook: positive and negative sentence. Positive sentence, normally like we are happy, you are going there, you are coming here, today I ate something special, it comes there. But negative sentence means, students, what? When we add not to the particular sentence or an apostrophe t, then that type of sentence it is called negative sentence. To make negative form of verbs, we add not or an apostrophe t after the helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. Look at the table to see how we make negative forms of verbs for simple present, present continuous and simple past. So let us see here. Simple present, in the positive form we say we are happy, I am happy, you are happy, today you are happy, fine. But in the negative form, what you will do, you just add not before that verb, action verb. Happy is the action word here. So before that you will add here not or an apostrophe t. So here we will add not. So we will say we are not happy. In present continuous, today I am playing, or at 2 o'clock I am eating, or I am having tea. You will tell the sentence like right now what action you are doing according to your time. So in negative form, what it comes? You will add not. I say you will add not, remember that, and you will put there I am not playing. In the simple past, we were hungry. Yeah, yesterday you were very hungry. Fine. So to make it a negative sentence, what we will add here? We were not hungry. We can add here again not, not. So remember here, only the thing you have to remember here is that when we add not, it comes a negative sentence, and if not is not there, then it is a positive sentence. In the sentence does not have a helping verb, we add do, does, did to the sentence. Remember, when we use do, does, did in a sentence, we use the base form of the verb. Simple present, let us see one more time. He lives in Delhi. So here, with the word he, she, it, so what word comes there? When, if these words are there, he, she, it, we, so the word changes there. With he, the word comes does. So in the negative form, we will say he does not live in Delhi. So for those words, the word comes at does and did before the helping verb. Fine, you are understanding? Do, does, did, word comes before the helping verb. When he, she, it, we are there, the words are there. Like he lives in Delhi. In the negative form, he does not live in Delhi. Simple past, we waited for him. So in the negative form, I told you have to add we did not wait for him. In simple past, we waited for him, but in negative form, we did not wait for him. So students, here the positive and negative don't go more on that topic. It's just a basic. So only thing here today we understand that what is simple past tense. That much is enough for you. This positive and negative, it's just information for you. Just don't go deeply and just see the basic thing. Like if you see the not there, it's a negative form of sentence. You remember that much only, because in deeply you will be studying in the higher classes. Now this much is the its basic is okay for you. So next here we will see about the forming questions. In sentence that have helping verbs, we bring the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence to make a question. So this question we have done in the previous class also. Such questions requires only a yes or no answer, so they are called yes no questions. So in the previous video, that is in the last year, I told you if the answer is given, you will change that answer into a question. Okay, I am walking there. So question, where are you walking? Like this, if you ask a questions, looking at the answer, you can frame questions. So the same thing I am telling here also. The sentences will be given, you have to form questions there. Like for example, the lesson is easy. So this is simple present tense. Simply they have written ed has been not used here. So the lesson is easy. It's present tense. So you have to change the sentence in a question. So how will change it? Is this lesson easy? You will put a question mark there. They are going home. If ing comes, if you see anywhere the word with their ing word is there, then that you should remember that sentence comes under present continuous tense. So the question comes here, are you going home? Remember students, present tense simple words will be there, past ed will be there, is, was, the words which we saw in the previous video. But when it comes under present continuous, if the word is having ing after each verb, action word, if there is ing, like I'm running, I'm walking, I'm jumping. So if you see ing, those types of words, you should understand that it comes under present continuous tense. He was home, was past. So the question comes as, was he home? So this is the preparing questions with the help of those sentences. If there are no helping verbs, we add do, does, did to the belonging of the sentence to make questions. So prepare a questions using the sentence. In such sentences, we use the base form of the verb. Like simple present, she swims every day. Does she swim every day? As this is a present tense sentence, so we will prepare a question naming that, does she swim every day? We went to the park. Again, went, it comes under past. You should understand that this is a past word sentence. And if you change the question, it comes as, did you go to the park? So children, please try to understand. You just remember the one thing, that present continuous will add ing to the words. Only this difference you first remember in your mind. Ing, and if there is ed, was is there, where is there, had, went, did, gave, sit, sat, saw. So these all words, it comes at the past tense. And present, the normal words will be there. Simple present normal words will be there. Remember that much only, students. And if you know that much, you can frame sentences. You can change the sentence in the questions. You can change the, if they are told you to change this sentence into negative form, you will just add not to that. Just remember that much only. You will add not to a particular sentence. And question making, you know it. We can prepare a normal questions using a normal sentence. We can say that we can see the which form the sentence is, past or present continuous. We'll see that, and it will be easy for us to change the sentence in a question form. So students, the examples regarding these framing questions, we'll do it I will send you through the WhatsApp group in the answer form. But till today, just watch this video and try to understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.